Hey, so this is the MYDAYS UTV roll cage organizer case. It's a rear storage case for tool storage solution. This is the camo pattern. It's high quality material. The fabric is ProTech X6 with water resistant backing and exterior coated for weather and abrasion protection. This whole thing is 47 inches wide by 2 inches in diameter and 7.5 inches high. This has multi-pockets. 7 of the pockets are with zippers and 2 are fast access pockets, perfect for electrical tape, small tools, cell phone, wallet, keys, and gloves. This is easy to install with the rip and grip tabs that are adjustable to fit your UTV. Now we like this because of how many pockets it actually does have. You have more control over storing things. It's in a safe place. It's not going to come loose. It's not going to be hanging off while you're on the ATV. And it's really a nice storage solution for all those extra little things that you usually carry with you while you're out on the ATV.